Hi friends, super excited, VIP person here. This is Mr. Monty, that created with MariaDB.
And MySQL.
MySQL, of course. Thank you so much, and we are in FOSDEM 2026.
Yeah.
And super excited about what is going on and what are you working interesting at the moment.
Currently, I'm working on even more MySQL compatibility because we have so many MySQL users are coming and we want to move to MariaDB because of the entertainment that Oracle has done the last few weeks. So I'm trying to do that easier. I'm also working on some bigger projects for this year for full outer join and parallel queries on the top of my list.
Wow, sounds very challenging.
Yeah.
And what do you think will be the main challenge for 2026?
Basically, increased adoption of MariaDB. That's always been one of our biggest challenges, and ensuring that everybody is happy with us. And we also have an ever-growing developer community, and thanks to the foundation, we are able to manage all the pull requests that we get. But now we are working with universities who wants to have students as part of their courses submit pull requests to us to show that they can collaborate with open source. To be able to manage all of those will probably be one of our bigger challenges this year.
Wow, it's great that you are also training young talent and is part of this. And I was just wondering, I know that there are other alternative implementation of the same protocol.
Yeah.
How do you see the trend going? I'm on top of my mind, I'm thinking about TiDB that offered to be like a one-to-one replacement for some.
No, but it's not a one. They have a similar protocol and similar features, but we are all different. So we have now in MariaDB about 400 million installations of database installations. So we may be the biggest open source database, except of course SQLite. So we are doing good.
Yes, of course you have proven track.
Yeah.
And many big organizations have rely on you.
Yeah. But still, MySQL has a really good name and lots of press around them. So it will take some time before we overcome them in the mind of the developers.
Cool. Thank you so much for all the work that you've done for the community.
Thank you.
I'm a huge fan of yourself, huge fan of you and all the initiative that you are carrying on.
Thank you.
I was just wondering how can people connect with the foundation and how young talent can get in contact for these opportunities.
So for anybody who is a programmer and want to be able to show their talents for the world, the easiest way they can do that is to be part of some open source project. And with MariaDB and especially the foundation, we are trying to make that very easy. In our Jira, which is our bug tracker and feature tracker, we have features that are marked beginner friendly. Anybody who wants to contribute to the source and make a name of themselves, it's very easy to do that with MariaDB. And after you're done lots of contributions, you will be known and people will compete to hire you.
So guys, if you want to be hired or you're looking for opportunity, sounds that this is the best shot. Thank you, Monty, for all your work, and I look forward for a great 2026.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.